Kotoko. And you see, there is this thing Ayana me pewo psychology say the necessary evil. We nipa na utimi spake the necessary evil tantrum adia we be akoso. There are some things that are considered very evil in the society, but they are very necessary. And in the Bible, time Abraham was when in a year ne kon ye bisa no sini nuaba. What chantro evil but was very necessary. Santro ne CV non kwan. So it's considered evil by or very necessary. There was examples in the Bible. Tuti mu se timbi coach bi nyade na fans na kwakote tia coach no alloke. You see, my uncle trainer, they better a pump coach, and the new one will come and will work necessary evil. It's not sportsmanship, but a boa bibi. So what's Kotoko is the necessary evil. Kwame Poku asemo bekabiano, Kotoko coach on to me ne wunyejuma. The Kwame Poku faction will say everything is the necessary evil. This is the proper time. Let me tell you one thing. Sa old players or mobile team na performance in Nkoya. Unimadi they become politicians. On behalf.
Okay.
Kwame Poku no crepe woman say coach ni here performance. He needed to go. That is the reality. Say coach buy a more game. Coach is so on a report. Na make us be chance Vinicius Junior na ye kan. Unim say Mourinho ni Alonso ye juma. So aye den ya obedi nkomo Real Madrid. Nti ni Alonso Vini di ye ni bi obeka dia che Mourinho. Ani kwa ka mo bi ntia nwa penalty akodo. So football sad ni wo me say coaches no mu di nkomo. O Kwame Poku. The Kotoko fraction sacrifice one player because of you. Ntokwana ebo ni justice blame them no. Utie justice interview na. Ye kan kwa kade na gabi osisi. Nanka ye kan kwa decision ka say den. Ka say two players in obiako anakwa me krako.
Yes.
But ye sacrifice you because or see according to me quoting some justice kind. Or see no or ko baby no say peni bi ka se Kwame de. Reference from interview ani ebra penin kan kam ye. So it means they loved Kwame. Then a buyer need Kwame Yeseko. And moon project asem na Kwame de beto no Kotoko bi anya ka odbi mu. They fat enough of Kwame. So Kwame say at the proper time obekasa on kai say kwan na ofro course no o say na bia baba bi. Na munim nsem a Kwame Poku esi akra na say Jude kata so no ne niam oye o makata so. At the point in time justice wanted to blow everything up. But this same media here because em pese Kotoko mbetete.
Yeah.
Now protect Kotoko for fans ni adia protect ukromai. Sisi ade na Kwame offer Kotoko team no. God me bisa. Is it performance? Is it experience? Is it leadership? If a leadership, one of the major problem at Kotoko Nyai was discipline.
Also a senior player.
Real Madrid didn't be na ekumi Kavaja muna minti omuja you. Musi ya makaja Kavaja contract extension. Born Kavaja wunti mimbo. So the only thing we expect from a senior player is the discipline. But what ding why se musa be this muna osi ya contract extension. It doesn't make sense. So Kwame born abafem. Untimi ne nkra mo sisi ammo. So the only thing I can do beka ho a discipline. Meaning if I'm making sense.
Yes, of course.
But discipline is indiscipline is taking a different dive because what we are paying niama we are crying. So if the Kotoko team needs to advise these young guys and who the senior player they need to shout your bad deeds juma go. Because senior players need with team wa your politics or behind new coach, you know. Yempe Kwame Poku faction no. Kotoko want to go forward. In the same justice blake koye say dem say team ni kwan ke be gu ani. Nsem ne bae na ejoye. Nsem no dey abato abonte no. It feels very threatening. Omra abonte no meka because you are no more a Kotoko player. And Kotoko have really respected them because they were a huge brand. Meaning so ma cover Kwame Poku nsem bebre so bebre. And Kotoko supporters in it. Me ma sem bia Kwame Poku be can be a mom be sparkly. They should just leave it. That's how our institution work. Kwame should be professional enough. Also, way. Kwame, so when you're professional, Kotoko Krobiano Ebekaho Untimi Kansemi Guhunfi. It's taking a new direction. So Nyobe Kambiano, say coach about 1, 2, 3 games near Koya. Oh, be a crowd you may free so. But the reality of the matter is say, Kwame, you're sacrificing a player back with the mouth. The performance is not coming. The only thing they expect from a senior player was discipline. But you cannot even command the dressing room. So them na Kwame pe Kotoko team nim. Kwame Poku dey na pe Kotoko team nim. So he can come. Obianka said sometimes you can feel free. Uye jumana ground ni very chaos. Yenka say ye kan kasa boache. Ba ho balance books.
Okay.
O balance books we say. Then na wo dey ma Kotoko team ni se sia. So Kotoko bi ka o na umtro na yinti academy. There be. So Kotoko, Kwame Poko and Kai say the sacrifice will be a man, no, so Beba outer. They are ready for him on no mechanism. But the reality is say the necessary evil gear has been sparked by Kotoko and it's the best for now. It's very good. Sometimes these players tend to be politicians and you to do the needful. And the BM Medeama. The BM was simply make us currently as we're speaking. Megana ha club bakwa. O mama football ne branding na ye fepa bako. Eye Medeama. Ye mo mama so kremi. Then two. Kafa momo kwan say at this stage games no betimi abo otako. The days of Become Chelsea, edu baby a Champions League no mo ball away from home no. One thing at that time, as a young boy, and I media chikaka, Monsieur Any say, Ejuma Dempa back is a team, over away from home. Because Champions League, they do baby. So, money to Quanco, no more stadium or mobile home. Supporters, the number 12 men, the euphoria, the zeal, or mutim did your metia. Now, Obanasa will bow away from home. You are missing a lot from the team.
Okay.
How Medeama force your brand on the team? Me say, yeah, come on. My young started Champions League. There will be more to it. Because they can strategically plan things that will put people to their game.
Yeah.
And you want to say Medeama game not their taste about people from all walks of different areas.
And they have been doing it so far. So almost started Ghana Premier League.
So the only thing they need is almost stadium for the biggest competition. Say a free more. And I'm very happy say a dear more. Because currently they are wanting more football now see. And game Nanya Pon and Kwan renew. The supporters will conquer a lot of magic for them. So I'm very happy. Ya hwe ne ebetim akoma mo na minim se mo time na me person can report na wo ka no ka wo ka na ye ka wasem kakra
on say report no now afi no mo ode ko no makwa akodi nkomo so ekodu wi a and ye behu the more details of
pensem wo papa ka bi se mo ho coach ni report no nsem wo papa odi e man massage bibia on fan kosa na mo famra
e man ye
dabi on fan kosa coach onim say gidie ba kwa I say minim se me hu ni sa open no crop no kre onye massage bia on fan ko raw
okay
on fa bianko je won semka it's enya botre for now
I think say by next week there na me say I so clear that the
only thing I'm waiting for is a report we
okay na yet me edi hu nkomo ye 454545